Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL Tab 10 Gen 2. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to tap on the same options in both apps. I will start with my Android one. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. Now on TCL, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. From here, you can finally go back to Android smartphone and using all of those categories available at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap Allow a couple of times to access your files. Then select them the same way. Finally, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on TCL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!